Okay, so we made it to the house, and we're opening things up. I got a parts tray built here. I got a tool table built here. This is the source of our leak. Okay, this is an original heater hose that come on the truck, and that broken fitting right there, which lives right there next to the distributor. See that right there? Yeah, you're right. I've been feeding it for a while, and I thought it was the rear core plugs giving me the problem. But fortunately, it's Sunday, and I've got time, so we're going to fix this. Okay, so the real problem to doing this repair is a broken fitting in the manifold. Okay, and towards that end, we've got these guys right here, and we're gonna we've got an easy out somewhere. I gotta find that, and then we're going to try and spin that out. And if not, then we're going to go after it with a hammer and a chisel and a punch, and eventually run the tap through those threads. Okay, so we've been going after this fitting with an easy out. I've owned this tool for probably 20 years, 25 years, and I've used it 3 times. This is going to be the 3rd time. Now, a lot of people bitch at me about my old tools. Okay, I'm bad about old tools. That's an 8-point Powercraft socket. Okay. This product line was probably from the mid-60s to early 70s. And then I've got a Wright rubber-handled 1/2-inch ratchet. And these 3 antiques that have simply taken up space for 20 years are making their presence, or proving the value of their presence right now. Okay, so the easy out isn't doing a good job, except for one thing. It's doing a good job of reaming that fitting out. And I don't know if you can see, but there's a flake at the top. And we've gotten close enough to the threads that we can go in there with a punch and a hammer and very carefully clean that stuff out. There's the tap coming out. Where's my light? Here's my light. Alright. And that is a better looking hole. Yeah. Very nice. I think. Now we gotta go borrow the neighbor's truck and go find some fittings. Okay, there's the finished repair. It's all a matter of running a hose from there to there. Fill it up, check it for leaks. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Thank you.